Renegade Industrial offer a powerful sheet metal chassis punch set, which are specifically designed to punch perfectly round holes in sheet metal, like electrical switchboards, car and caravan panel work, and many other applications in the trade industry. The kit includes most of the main dies you would use in the switchboard industry, with sizes 16, 20, 22, 25, 32, 40, 51 and 64 millimeters, which will easily punch through any sheet steel up to 3.5 millimeters thick. With a maximum force of 7 tonne, this powerful hydraulic chassis punch is built with quality materials and comes in its own carry case with all the attachments. It's extremely easy to use, as all you have to do is drill an 11.5mm hole in the sheet metal with a standard drill bit. Attach the draw stud, then the spacer, and lastly your die and stud pieces. Now if you're wanting a larger diameter punch, you'd have to use the smaller piece first, punch a hole, then go over it again with the larger die, as it uses a larger draw stud. Like all Renegade Industrial products, this chassis punch set will keep up with high demand use all day every day. You really do get the best of both worlds at Trade Tools, with value for money and premium products.